Hello everybody, this is Maha, your English language teacher and IELTS trainer, and welcome to another episode of Let's Learn English with English on Canada. In today's video, we are going to be answering a very simple question. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Mexico. I'm from Mexico. I'm a Mexican. I'm from Germany. I'm German. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan. I'm a Pakistani. I am a Pakistani. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. I am a Pakistani. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. I am a Bangladeshi. I am from Bangladesh. I am a Bangladeshi. Now you must be wondering, why am I from Mexico and I'm a Mexican, and why am I a Pakistani but I'm a Pakistani, right? Why am I from Pakistan and I'm a Pakistani? So if you are using the word German as an adjective, then you can say I'm German. But if you're using it as a noun, then you say I'm a German. All right, so you can say either you can say either or. Either you can say I am Pakistani, or you can say I am a Pakistani. So it all depends, and they're both correct. The most commonly or the widely used is without the article up. But again, there is no harm in saying it, all right? So we're gonna practice this one more time. Where are you from? Now you repeat after me, okay? You need to ask a question to somebody you've just met, and you want to know where they are from. So the way you would ask them is, where are you from? Where are you from? Please repeat after me. Where are you from? You can say it slow first, and then you can speed up. Where are you from? Where are you from? All right, let's look at the first country, Mexico. I am from Mexico. I'm Mexican. I'm from Mexico. I'm Mexican. Try saying it after me. I am from Mexico. I'm Mexican. Very good. Let's do the next country, German. All right, so where are you from? I am from Germany. I'm German. I am from Germany. I am German. Third country, Pakistan. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. I'm a Pakistani. I am from Pakistan. I am a Pakistani. I'm from Pakistan. I'm a Pakistani. Let's look at the last country, Bangladesh. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. I'm a Bangladeshi. I am from Bangladesh. I am a Bangladeshi. Great. Now, let's try to say them a little faster this time, okay? So the question is, where are you from? And the answer is, I'm from Mexico. I'm Mexican. Perfect. Where are you from? I'm from Germany. I'm German. Amazing. Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan. I'm a Pakistani. Great. And the last one, where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a Bangladeshi. Perfect. So these were the 4 countries that we looked at today, and I will be making more videos with other nationalities. I really hope you enjoyed it, and keep practicing, and subscribe to English Show Canada for all your English needs.